Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn on how to reset Windows 11 without erasing personal data. If you get annoying errors or issues that you cannot fix using any method, Windows 11 allows you to reset the PC without losing the data. Starting Windows 10, Microsoft has provided the option to reset the PC, which means there is no need to install Windows operating system. Similarly, the latest Windows 11 also allows you to reset the PC without clean installation. During the resetting of Windows 11, you will have two options: save the personal data/files or erase the personal data/files. According to your needs and choice, you can save your personal files or erase your personal files. Resetting Windows 11 operating system is possible using the recently introduced Cloud Download feature. Using this feature, you can download Windows 11 files from the cloud and automatically install them without any input. If you are familiar with macOS, you might already know this feature that is used by Apple. However, on Windows PC, you need to install the drivers after resetting the PC. Although Microsoft provides an option to reset the PC without erasing personal data, we recommend keeping a backup of your important data. So in case something goes wrong, you can install Windows 11 from scratch and restore your data. In both methods, either you choose to keep personal data or erase personal data. During resetting, you will not be able to save the software. Hence, before processing with the reset function, you should create a list of installed programs on your PC. How to reset Windows 11 without losing personal files. Windows 11 includes a powerful settings app that was first introduced on Windows 8 by Microsoft. Using the same settings app, you can perform the resetting of the PC. Let us how to do. First, open the settings app by pressing Windows + I keys from the keyboard. Alternatively, click on the Start button from the taskbar and then select the settings gear icon. On the settings window that appears after executing the above step, select the Windows Update category from the left side pane, and then click on the Advanced Options tab on the right side pane. Next, click on the Recovery option. Click on the Reset PC button next to the Reset this PC option under the Recovery Options section. On the pop-up window that appears after doing the above steps, you will see two options. Keep My Files. Remove everything. Click on the Keep My Files option. Using this option, you can save your personal files, but you can't protect installed software. Now, Windows 11 will ask you, how would you like to reinstall Windows? Select Cloud Download to download everything from the Microsoft server. Keep in mind that this option may download more than 4 GB of files from the internet. So ensure that you have sufficient data with an active internet plan. Select Local Reinstall option if you are not ready to consume your 5 GB internet bandwidth. However, this option is not recommended if you try to reset your Windows 11 to fix bugs and issues. Now, review selected preferences and click on the Next button. That's all. Sit back and relax. Wait to reset your PC. The process will take a while, depending on how powerful your computer is. Make sure your PC is plugged in with a constant power supply source to avoid potential damages or data loss. Your PC may restart several times, so follow on-screen instructions to set up your Windows 11 as a new system. Good luck! See you on next video.